Install the accessory holder. Position the dermabrasion applicator and the oxygen spray on the holder. Install the power cord. After installing all components, press the power button to activate the instrument. Install the oxygen hose. Choose oxygen. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 10 minutes. Tap Start button. Tap Pause button. Choose vacuum cupping. Grease cup. Insert the hose to the end of the grease cup. There are 3 grease cups available in different sizes, each serving a specific purpose. The large cup is specifically designed for larger body areas, the medium cup is intended for use on the arms and legs, and the small cup is suitable for more delicate areas such as the face and neck. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 10 minutes. Recommended vacuum, 20 cmHg. Recommended vacuum maintain time, 1.0. Recommended release time, 0.5. Tap Start button. Tap Pause button. Vacuum cup. Connect one end of the Y-shaped hose to the suction hole on the main unit and attach the other 2 ends to the respective vacuum cups. There are 9 pairs of vacuum cups at your disposal, with 3 designated for body areas, 3 pairs for facial use, 2 pairs designed for cleansing purposes, and 1 pair specifically intended for more discreet and private areas. Select the appropriate cups according to the recipient's skin condition and size. Suction test. Choose vacuum cupping, set the vacuum intensity randomly, and put your finger on the suction hole. You can feel the suction if the instrument functions normally. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 10 minutes. Recommended vacuum, 20 cmHg. Recommended vacuum maintain time, 1.0. Cupping therapy. Adjust the vacuum setting according to the recipient's tolerance. Recommended mode, M0, only suction. Apply both cups to the skin simultaneously and ensure full contact. Failure to do so may cause the cup to detach from the skin. If only 1 cup is needed for the treatment, tie a knot on the spare end of the hose to prevent air leakage. Tap Start button. Tap Pause button. Breast cup. Connect one end of the Y-shaped hose to the suction hole on the main unit and attach the other 2 ends to the respective breast cups. There are 3 pairs of breast cups available. Select the appropriate cups based on the size of the recipient's breasts and buttocks. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 20 minutes. Recommended vacuum, 20 cmHg. Recommended mode, M0, only suction. Tap Start button. Tap Pause button. Choose dermabrasion. Connect one end of the hose to the suction hole on the main unit and attach another end to the dermabrasion applicator. Place the black rubber ring and filter into the dermabrasion applicator and attach the necessary treatment tip. Parameter settings. Recommended working time, 3 minutes. Recommended vacuum, 20 cmHg. Note, you can operate the dermabrasion and oxygen simultaneously. Tap Start button. Tap Pause button. Turn off the instrument and unplug the power cable.